You're about to discover 10 facts so strange, so unreal, they'll make you question everything you thought you knew. From backward-spinning planets to animals frozen in time. These are the facts that go beyond imagination. Let's dive in. 1. You can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from over 2 miles away. It's the largest heart on Earth. 2. Your brain has more connections than there are stars in the galaxy. That's over 100 trillion synapses. 3. The combined weight of all ants on Earth equals the weight of all humans. Let that crawl into your brain. 4. There's a type of mushroom that actually glows in the dark. It's real-life nature magic. 5. A cockroach can live for weeks without its head. It only dies because it can't drink water. 6. Venus spins backwards, opposite to most planets in our solar system. 7. Tomatoes actually have more genes than humans. Nature is wild. 8. A shrimp's heart is located in its head, literally. 9. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward, and they beat their wings up to 80 times per second. 10. There's a lake in Tanzania that turns animals into stone. It's called Lake Natron, and it preserves them like eerie statues. Mind officially blown? Which fact hit you hardest? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit subscribe, because we've got more unbelievable truths coming your way. Stay curious. Stay inspired.